Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to be following this yellow scenario for now on the larger time frame. We are likely dealing with an ABC structure to the upside in the yellow scenario. So we're dealing here with an A wave up, a B wave down, and a C wave up. This is sort of, it's been like that for many months now, this thesis that this is the count. So there is no change to it. The only thing is that the pullback that happened in February was very, very deep. Very deep. But it can be considered a wave 4 in a diagonal. Yep, other interpretations are possible. But for now, we are looking for higher, especially as long as the February low is holding. There is a support area on the smaller time frame that offers even, let's say, better support or an earlier signal should anything break. So this is what we're tracking currently here on the ADA chart. Just important to understand that ADA has recovered nicely from that February low, but more evidence is needed to really say that a substantial low has formed. And I'm watching for a major top after the next high. Now, I would say let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Before we do that, $1.42 is next upside, the next upside target, 172, and then 236 as next key levels above. Could something more bullish unfold? Yes, for sure, but we would need to see if the price can hold a higher low after the next major high, and I would expect a major top in this region. Yeah, so it's at the moment it's still a patience game, a waiting game for that next move up to unfold. And I mean, if we can't hold that February low, then the support area below comes into play. That should be a good one between 28 cents and 36, but I can't promise that we get there once more. Because the pullback so far is in 3 waves, which indicates still upside trend continuation. Let's take a look at the ADA short-term chart. And here you can see that from this February low, the price recovered nicely. I mean, if we measure it, around about 60%. It's a bit more than some other coins did. We had a first pullback into this support area. The price reacted perfectly to the 50% retracement. But the price rallied only in 3 waves after it, after this move up. So 3 waves, then A wave down, B wave up, slightly overshooting B wave. And we could be working on a C wave now. So the idea is the initial rally was in 3 waves. So it's no surprise that if this is a diagonal structure to the upside, which should eventually take us to those targets that I just mentioned, then, well, the third wave would also be an ABC structure, right? So that's why I've labeled the initial rally from that 9th of February low a 3-wave move, A wave. This here a B wave, possibly corrective pullback, like a running flat or something, like a flat correction. And then from there, we might get a C wave rally to the upside, which should then take us to around about 98, 99 cents. Next, obviously, it's not only a structural resistance level, but it's also a psychological one. And this wave count that I've got on the chart here is valid as long as the price is holding above 68.5 cents, which is the 78.6 retracement of the rally that happened between the 9th of Feb and the 11th of February. Now, any break below 68.5 cents means that the lower support area comes back into focus. Then with support around 56 cents in probably a wider wave 2. So it's basically that this wave 2 could still be unfolding, right? But for now, we'll leave it alternative because the pullback that happened here from the 11th of February high is corrective in nature. So it emphasizes upside trend continuation. Yeah, this is the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. And if you are interested in additional content, I mean, the markets are a bit boring at the moment, so we keep it interesting on the MCO Global channel. I've uploaded a video today about where Bitcoin's top could lie for this cycle, talking about the long-term scenarios and talking about different on-chain indicators. So if you're interested in that, check it out. It's brand new, fresh out of the oven for you. but these videos on this channel are designed to be relevant long term, so they're not, they don't have a 24-hour expiry date, or expiry. So yeah, check it out. Link is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.